welcome back to another video. Period. If you're new here, subscribe. You won't, I'm about to cuss already. If you're new here, subscribe. You won't regret it. Period. Yes, I have pigtails in. You in my business? Okay. I'll be doing a Target unboxing, unbagging. It's a fucking bag. I'm gonna show y'all bras and panty sets I got from Target. So this is how it's gonna go. This video I'm gonna show y'all the bra and panties. On my Onlyfans account, I'm gonna do like the bra and panty try on. So go subscribe to my Onlyfans on the screen, down in the description, and in the pinned comment. So yeah, on my Onlyfans I'm gonna be doing the actual try on part for the bra and panties, and in the next couple of weeks I'm going to be doing a try on part for just the bra on my YouTube account, because I can't do panties on YouTube obviously. So that's gonna be on my Onlyfans account. That video is up right now on my Onlyfans, to go watch it, but the bra try on for YouTube, it won't be for a couple weeks. But make sure y'all check out my Onlyfans so y'all can see it right now, like everything, bra and panties. I'll show y'all what I got. I did open the bag just because I needed to make sure everything was in there. But yeah, I got like 3 sets for $80, I think. Target bras, I made the switch, honey. I used to get all my bras from Lane Bryant. Target bras are 1/3 of the price, and to me they support me better. Just before we start, if you've been watching my videos, I wear 44 triple D in bras, so my bras are very expensive. It's hard for me to find a bra that, you know, supports the girls well, but these bras do the job. I love Target bras, so hopefully these ones don't disappoint me. I did get 3 different kind of bras and 3 different kind of panties. I'm gonna link everything down below too, because they're not actually sets. Like, you have to find the pieces that go together, but like they have matches, like they match, they're the same. I believe they're all Auden, if that's how you say it. I don't know if that's the proper name for it, but I believe that they all are the same brand. And like, you just have to find a panty that matches it, that is in the same color. Let's start with the red, because I'm excited about that. Like, I literally never owned a red bra. Is that not weird? So this red bra, I'm just gonna link everything down below, like I said already, but it is a Plunge Push-Up Bra. I got a hell of shit in it. Look how cute. 44 triple D, like I said, it's very, very red. It's lace. I love my lace bras, but it does have the padding under it. Like, it's not like, you see, like the lace is over it, and it comes above the padding a little bit, so that's super sexy, honey. And it's very, very red. I love that. I can't even hold it. That's the back of it though. It's 3 rows of hooks, which is good, because, you know, they heavy, honey. We need the support. They very much heavy. But I love the lace, and they have like different styles underwear. So for this bra, I picked the micro thong with lace waistband. I don't know what I was about to say, but yeah, it's a thong and it's lace. It's basically just all lace. Oh, this one be sexy. I like this. Oh, okay. Okay, I can't wait to wear this set for my man and for my Onlyfans. It's up on there now. Go watch it. Go watch me rock this. This is gonna look cute together. So y'all, I actually got a bralette, and I usually don't do bralettes because my shit's heavy, like I said. I feel like it doesn't support me, but you know, I want to try it. Hopefully, we'll see. But I got this Burgundy Bralette, but let me just show y'all. It looks very supportive. I think, okay, so you have to get this one in like a 2X, 3X. So I think I got a 3X, because I'm gonna look out the window, because you know I need the extra support. So this does have padding in it. It honestly feels like a very well made bralette, so I'm hoping it fits y'all. I don't know, we'll see when I try it on my OnlyFans. And look, like, it's adjustable in the back and everything. It looks very, very supportive. I'm just hoping it is. The padding does feel too small for my boob. I feel like it's only gonna cover my nip, to be honest. But I guess we'll see. Again, it's like laced. I'm loving lace lately. I don't know why, but you know, she's sexy, honey. And it has some stretch to it too, so it should fit. It's just like the padding, like I said, it seems very much too small for my large breast. But we'll see. For the panties for this one, I think I got a lace. I thought I got 3 different ones. Okay, I think this one's lace too, but it's like high waist, I guess. I don't know. Oh, and the panties, y'all, I got 2X. I wear 2X in panties. I think in sizing that's a 2022, pretty sure. But yeah, it's lace too. Like I said, I don't know what it is with the lace, but it like matches this like very good, so like it's gonna look cute together. But yes, the lace long, but I believe like this is like high rise, it looks like. So that's cute. That's it. So then of course I had to get a black bra. I had to, like, I cannot buy bras and not get a black one. This is lace too. I don't know what I don't know. Whatever. We love the lace, honey. But it's like, okay, this one's like not, like, it's like lace detailing, but it's not like, you know what I mean? Like, it's not see, I don't know, I can't explain it. This bra feels very, someone's screaming outside, I'm sorry, like a little kid. Okay, I think it's done screaming. Don't worry, the parents were outside. Yeah, you know, okay. But look at this, it's still screaming. We're gonna get through it. So, I have my window open, that's why you can hear it. But yeah, this bra is so cute. Their bras are like they have this stretchy part in the back, which I love. You know, in case you buy the wrong band size, you got a little bit extra room anyways. Period. And I don't know, if y'all are bigger chested and y'all buy bras from Lane Bryant, y'all know how like well quality they feel. Like this feels like a Lane Bryant bra. Like I can't explain it, but if you shop at Lane Bryant, you know, like this feels like a Lane Bryant bra, and I'm pretty sure it was like $20. Like what? And for these, the panties, I think I bought a boy short. I think. Oh yeah, I did. Why do they look like this? Okay, so I bought a boy short for this. I'm curious to see how these are gonna fit on me. They look like short shorts. Like I don't know, they're very stretchy. I can't wait to see how these are gonna fit actually. We'll see on my OnlyFans. But yeah, so that's gonna look cute together, I think. So that's all the sets. Again, this was the unboxing part. On my OnlyFans is going to be the bra and panty try on, and then in a couple weeks on my YouTube I'm going to do the bra try on, just a bra. If you want to see bra and panties, that's going to be only on my OnlyFans. My OnlyFans is like $3 right now, I think. So go subscribe to that and you'll see everything, period. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you next video. Make sure y'all subscribe, because what is you doing? Okay, see you guys next video. Peace.